Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can order food in Avatar World. So if you're hungry in city and whether you're throwing a house party or just want to stack in your new apartment, here I'm going to show you the easiest way to get food delivered right to your door. So what you need to do in here is just click on your phone and find the apps in here. You can just click on this option and you'll see the food icons in here. Then you just need to find the kind of food that you want to order. For example, I'm going to go with a hot dog in here. Then you can choose the one that you want. Let's order this one and also a pretzel. And I'm going to also order a drink. And then you just need to click on this cart icon and just wait for a few seconds and the food will be delivered to your lap actually. So you can just get it in here, you can put it on the table, and that's it. So that's how you can order food in Avatar World. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.